Welcome to our new video. Let's draw these shapes. Let's go. But first, we see what colors do we have. Blue color, black color, yellow color, red color, purple color, green color, indigo color, pink color, orange color, parrot green color, brown color, and sky blue color. Let's draw these shapes. Let's go. What shape is this? Yes, it's a star. Let's draw these shapes. Star. Star. Hexagon. Cube. Triangle. Circle. Arrow. Let's color these shapes. Pink color. Star. Hexagon. Orange color. Hexagon. Cube. Cube. Triangle. Yellow color. Red color. Circle. Red color. Purple color. Arrow. Wow, these shapes are looking so beautiful. Let's name these shapes. Star, hexagon, 3D cube, triangle, circle, and arrow. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Till then, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.